I never thought I'd be in a situation like this. It's funny, isn't it, how life can throw you curveballs. I mean, I went to visit my sister, Zola, thinking it would be just another family gathering, you know, a chance to catch up, a few laughs over dinner. But then there was Tom, my sister's husband. He was always charming, always the life of the party, but this time something felt different.
Oh God, we're glad to see you.
Welcome. My home is your home, Sita.
Oh,
Have a seat, have a seat.
oh,
dear. Have a
thank
seat.
you. Oh God, we're tired, sis.
Oh, how was your trip?
Oh, worth it. Worth it, worth it. How you do?
I'm fine. So how you reach? How you got down?
Knoxford, forget the express and traveling style.
So babe, why you didn't call me? Let Tom come and pick you up. Why not, Sword?
It's alright, man. I wanted to see the area and everything and take in the vibes. I just know me see why you love here.
Oh gosh.
It's nice.
It is. It's just a pity you didn't come. Let Tom pick you up and not Sword.
Oh, that would have been nice, but it's still nice. It's still a good walk. It's nice.
Girl, you thirsty?
Oh, yes,
Look
my
here.
mouth dry, sis. My mouth dry.
I got Tom to cut this for you there.
Oh, sis,
Yes.
I know me love you. Thank you.
Would you like a straw?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
All right. Refresh yourself, my dear.
Mm.
Ah.
It's sweet, sis. Zola,
Yeah.
how your coconut sweet so?
It's the natural, the breeze, the sea breeze, everything. The soil is just awesome. You don't see how fruitful the place is. Look
Yes,
at cane and all of
yes.
that. We have everything.
So where's Tom?
He's chopping some coconut, my dear.
Mm.
In fact, I'm supposed to make him his favorite cocoa, toto.
Oh, I'm in love your tortilla, sis. I hope you make a big one to come out my
Of
share.
course, it's welcome. To welcome. I want you to feel at home. You must be hungry. They don't feed their nuts, Sword.
Girl, I want so buckle of water and it's not even cool.
And I can bet it's small too.
Don't even have to ask. The price big and the product small, you know the
Oh
way.
boy, I tell you. Anyway, let me see if Maria finished cooking.
Alright,
Let
thank
me
you,
get a
Zola.
lovely lunch for you. Hold on,
Oh
let me
wow, I feel at home.
see. Glad to have you finally, my little sister. We can catch up.
Yes.
Yes, there's so much that I want to hear.
I'm just going to say hello to Tom. and
Yes,
let you
ma'am,
know
just,
something.
just follow the pathway. You'll see.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey Tom.
What's up, girl? There, chop some coconut, you know. Yeah, man. Wife said she want a coconut, so me I go and chop out one see if me can carry go gear, you know.
Okay, full of juice.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Like you.
Like me. You want a jelly too?
Oh, I would love a jelly.
All right, me chop one for you too. You
Yeah,
hear?
man, you're a jelly one, though, you know.
What?
Yeah, man.
Really?
Go and drink your jelly nice and sweet. That's true.
Maybe it's the way he looked at me when he thought Zola wasn't watching,
Are you a water me want, you know?
or how his smile lingered just a little bit too long when we exchanged pleasantries.
Kira, you make me drop all the mash yet.
I know. I know that's
How
alone
will
you
you
have
say?
to drop, you know?
Eh?
I know that's alone you have to drop. You see me like it for a long time.
Oh, I go on, yes. Remember, say me married to your sister, you know. We can't do that, Kira.
You're already in the family, you know. You're already in the family and you me want. Zola can't handle you.
That no right, Zola. Go mash me up and she go mash up you too. That can't work. No, sir.
I didn't want to admit it, but my heart started racing.
I'm in the sea about now.
Oh,
And the tree big and wide, you know. You're kind of mark and will fit, you know.
Kira,
Yeah, man.
careful, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because problems are going to come.
I could feel the tension crackling in the air between us.
Coconut, wheelbarrow, what I get in?
It was innocent at first.
Come man, are you the one? She not come yet. Come man.
No,
Come
sir.
man.
No, sir.
What do you?
You go and go for your business. Me, I go and chop my coconut. Yeah.
I saw me want your sharp machete just fly through my lawn, you know, Tom. I saw me want it to chop up my
Kira,
lawn.
you go and go for your business. Me, I
Give me
carry
some
this
of your
go
water now.
get. Me, I
Water
carry
my
go
garden now.
get. Me, I carry the water. You go get Zola. You go and go for your
Which water you gonna give
business.
me? Which water you gonna give me?
Me say go and go for your business and left me alone. Me.
Just stolen glances and casual touches.
Rocks of ages, place for me. Let me hide myself in thee.
Mother Tinda?
I hope you bring your donation. Go round the fountain 3 times,
Okay, ma'am.
and then you come.
I was lost in the moment, completely consumed by the forbidden thrill of it all. Reality has a way of crashing down when you least expect it.
Mother Tinda, me do it now.
All right, my child. Bring the donation and come have a seat. Shadrach and Abednego, ring, kick, hey, rockabilly, hey. This looks serious. Me hope you bring enough money.
Yes, ma'am. I walk with my money.
Come, back out the money. Remember, me not take Jamaican.
Yes, ma'am.
The thrill was intoxicating, but I was also terrified.
Shadrach and Abednego. Hey. Husband you want. Hey. But him married. And him is strongly in love already.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. We will fix your business for you. My child, me want you to spin round for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Rock of ages. Shadrach and Abednego.
I felt I was falling deeper into a chasm I couldn't escape.
Husband you want, husband you're gonna get.
That Maria, what a sense of happiness if I have to do the same thing that I tell her over and over, tell her when the things are dried, put them away in the cupboard and look at me doing it myself. They don't make any sense. One day, if she continue like this, I'm gonna just fire her. Stop talk and act. Watch.
Boy, you are some good with this, you know. Where you get it, man? Huh?
Yeah, man, no, but arranging, me go check, me check, block off face and give me a look about and bring peace come here. Me never speak to start, I will raise with the brother.
Boy, the way that tastes good, though.
Yeah, man, a good strain boy I have, man.
Boy, Leroy,
Yeah.
I have something to tell you, brother.
Talk to me, what go on?
Boy, I show you a little thing, you know, but between me and you. You see Zola's sister, Kira?
Yeah, nice sexy empress there.
Yeah, man. What? She come check me like say she would want to give me a thing. Yeah, like say she would want to let go something for me, but me not in that, you know. Me not in that. Me a stick with my woman, me no want no mix up.
What? Man, that you like King Solomon, man.
No, man, me can't bother with that, you know.
It's not me.
Eh?
It's not me.
No, sir. A trouble that two sister. A problem.
I know see art no leap.
Lord have mercy, man. You go on here, man. You forgot take her.
Let me tell you something. Bird can't fly upon one wing. You have to balance the thing. You can't hold egg in one basket. One people turn over. All egg them mash up, you know. You can't have a square one. All egg them mash up.
Tap it nicely, right? A matrimonial home we have, you know. Eh? You think I fall coup? 22 years, me and my wife married, you know, straight out of school. I don't want no other woman come mash that up. Eh? When me married to my Zola, you know, I'm me the first one. Yeah, me the first and the last, me everything.
Damn, John, but you no fool. But damn, you's a fool. You can run from progress. A clean chrome skin there. Bumper cock up, so. Eh? And I put a smile there. And I'm stiff. Arrow in front of her there. Damn, you're from progress, man. Remember me tell you that.
Man.
Me know John Tom married my woman for 30 a year. And one thing, he mashed up the relationship, him lose, it's gone. And 30 of them married for. And was the first man for her. Tom, like something. Where you feeding on yesterday?
Boy, you know, say some steamed fish and callaloo.
So where are you feeding on today?
Well, I suppose it's some barbecue chicken and some curry rice.
Yes, Tom. Me done talk. Every day get about fish. Something different have to go on there, menu, man. Yo, I have told them quiet. You see me? Nobody know nothing, you know. Nobody know nothing. Even once a week, you hide and see it.
Boy, you have to think about that, you know. My Zola, a chubby you want to put me in, you know.
Even once a week.
Hey, Han. Hi, Leroy.
Blessed,
How you doing?
Blessed Empress, greetings, my love.
Always
My
good to
daughter,
see you,
blessed
always
love,
good to
blessed
see you,
love,
always
daughter,
good to
Empress.
see you.
There,
Yes.
I raised my brother. But bring something on give, you know. I will avoid all that jive.
Good friends, man.
Yes, man. Good friend, man. Pack him, man. Sure, I know, man. That brother,
Yes,
man.
man.
Brother,
Brother,
man.
man.
Wow,
Good
yeah,
friend,
man. Brother, man.
How you do, darling?
Babe, I wanted you to know dinner is ready.
Dinner?
Yes.
Oh.
Leroy, are you staying?
Me just pass by to give him some car.
Leroy, I hope it's not we to bring come and give him enough because he has decided to stop and I'm supporting him. So as his friend, I hope you're doing likewise.
Wait, nah, man. That's me alone, man. Me just come link him and talk to him. Cause he had him to stop smoke too, you know. I beg him to stop smoke too. So I'm going to bring we come give him. This is all a blessed princess. But I know them things, man.
I appreciate that because, you know, good friends are hard to find. And I like that you're supporting him in his cause.
What the man on the ball feel talk about? Say, we say me at him say you're the best wife him ever find. Cause you wash him clothes, cook him food. She say him alright, him clean, him health alright, everything. He never find no more wife than her like her. No more. When God make good woman, you can join the front and they left and go at the back. And then you come left and go in and make you forget. When boy, me tell him say, take care of you, you know. Me tell him say, him can't find no more woman like her like you. Cause you're the best for him. You see me? You didn't even know. Yeah, man, I say cooler, man.
You're a good friend. It's, you know, I appreciate you being his friend.
My good friend back better than pocket money.
Yeah, I'm really sorry that you can't stay for dinner, but Leroy, it's always a pleasure seeing you. All right, so I'm gonna leave you to Han, see you inside. All right.
All right.
Leroy, nice seeing you. Okay, bye. Take care of yourself.
Art I love, yeah, man. Art respect and love, man. Thank God, man. One cocoa full basket.
Yes, I.
Bird can't fly upon one wing. Look more.
All right, my brother.
Leroy, me not give you nothing. Remember.
Hey Tom, we hear Zola said dinner ready. My dinner's ready too. Here you go. You have
Really?
room for me, yeah man, dinner ready.
No, sir.
You can give me a good pull off of your pipe.
No. Nah, get no pull off or nothing. Why? What?
Our, me not bite, you know.
No,
We
sir,
are
but...
playing musical chairs. Come here, man.
What?
Me not
No,
bite.
no.
She
Where's
not
Zola?
look.
What? No. You can't go so close, Zola.
Dinner ready, you know, and I'm the dessert. And them say life short.
Oh.
You have to eat the dessert first.
No.
Oh, yeah, go on, so.
You don't want to get no trouble. You go on where you go. Me I come for dinner. Listen, come.
All right, come. If you're going for dinner, man.
No. Go on where you go. Lord have mercy.
Tom,
This
you
one
don't
wants
know
a-
what you're missing.
What a stress. How me fi stop smoke? Oh Lord. Boy, Zola. I wish the coconut a little dry, because I could have used it make one toto.
You mean I'd make a tutor for you if it was dry?
I love toto, you know.
I know. I know. Hon, you forget the last one that I made for you?
Mm-hmm. The nice one. I always love your Toto, you know.
And you're better.
Yeah, but your Toto nice.
Alright,
Zola, is your Toto or no Toto at all, you know?
that's why I love you so much.
Anyway, I finished chopping the rest of coconut them here.
Alright, chop on
So,
for
later we
Kira.
see.
Chop on for my sister here.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Okay, hon. Tom is a blessing. When God put us together, he really knew what he was doing. He must be my soulmate. You know, we just kind of, we blend with each other. We're in sync, you know? We like the same thing. I mean, no two persons are totally compatible, but we are as compatible as a couple could be. So, Kira,
Yeah.
what happened to that, your job? How things in the city?
Oh gosh, I love it. The children, them funny, you see, them funny.
What age? What age?
I'm at key stage 1, so it's grade 1.
Oh,
going
yeah.
into
Wow.
grade 2.
That is something else.
Oh,
Deal
God.
with such young minds.
I
Kids
love
do the
it.
darndest thing. I'm sure you get a lot of that. Pivotal role that you're playing in their life.
Tom, you alright?
Yes, man.
Yes, son. What hands
you
biting you? I was wondering if his hands biting.
Hot, man.
You're sweating the AC off.
Excuse me a minute, from
It was innocent at first, just stolen glances and casual touches.
I don't like use the word control. You see, from you have their attention and you come down to their level. I don't talk at them, I talk to them.
Let me share this with you, because I was teaching, when I was teaching young men like that, the main challenge I had with them is coming on time.
You know me, sis, I love to be in control.
Don't I know that about you? As long as you're getting the job done. Yes, I hope you like the jerk chicken. You said it's your favorite meat.
It was lovely.
I must tell you that his Tom put it together, put the wood and everything.
Oh,
and the
wow.
spices is his favorite thing.
The
to cook.
wood and everything.
Yes, man, the spices, the pimento, wood and everything. And he set it up for Marie to help her to fix it for you.
Oh God, yes, sis. Wow, Tom, your chicken tastes real good. You have to go jerk it again and use the pimento wood.
Alright.
The pimento wood bring it up, you know.
Yes, indeed.
Excuse me 1 minute.
Yeah, man.
He sat down beside me and I could feel the heat radiating from his body. We talked and I found myself laughing at his jokes.
I want a king just like your king.
Indeed, and you will get it because you're doing a good thing with those children. Yes, man, God, as I said, will bring that king to you. And when God does, I hope you'll recognize and do whatever you need to do to show that you are the queen.
I knew it was wrong, but I couldn't help myself. The heart wants what it wants.
No, sis. I definitely won't let him out to my side. I'm going to stick to him like ticks.
Kira, stop, man. My name is Zula come see you. You're mad.
Sure,
Eh?
sure. You think so that have jelly? And me have the jelly, you know.
Oh, Lord have
And
mercy.
you have the water. I'ma want you if I can water my garden.
Lord have mercy. I want this no father.
You know, say you want me, man.
Where's Zola? My Zola catch
No
you.
matter carry on. She no business. Me not talk about Zola. You me a talk about.
Why,
And
Kira?
you and me a talk about.
Why? You're not easy, you know, girl. Why?
So what you say?
Where's Zola then?
That me a talk about.
We kept our affair secret, sneaking around,
Tom, you alright?
Hey, hot, man.
meeting in the quiet corners of Zola's house.
Zola, sorry, I don't cut you. Tom, hot man. Get him a cold drink now. Buy my sweet.
You like something to drink, hon?
Wait,
Go
yes,
get it
man.
for you.
Oh,
You want something to drink?
Woman, you gotta get me in trouble. You're mad. Look, Zola just come on. No. Stop. You're nervous, woman.
Isn't it? Because, you know, here, This should be cold enough for you.
That should cool you down, Tom. Hey, you're hot.
Yes.
Yeah.
The time
Don't
hot
drink
for
it
true.
don't drink it too fast. Yes, Tom. You okay, hon? You okay? Yeah, because I was just thinking that grave digging is normally men, so.
Excuse me, Miss Zola, ma'am. The dinner is ready.
I felt like I was falling deeper. Then came the day that changed everything. The helper, a sweet woman named Maria.
But not Tom and Kira that. No, man. Not too out of that. Woman's sister. Her husband. Yes, Miss Zola.
Hello, Mario.
Miss Zola,
What?
I don't know how to tell you this, but this don't look good, Miss Zola.
Really?
I just see Kira and Tom hugging and kissing around the corner.
What are you talking about? Mario, makes sense. What exactly are you trying to tell me?
I swear I'm not lying, miss. I'm not lying. I swear, if you come right now, you see them. They're even still there.
No, man. My sister is not like that. Anyway, I hear what you're saying, but Maria, you have always been like that. You have always been seeking trouble. You think I don't know what you did with Janet across the road? You're mischievous. Please get off my phone.
No, Mom, I'm not lying, Mom. I would never lie to you, Mom. I remember what you did to me the last time. No, Mom, I would never lie. They're there right now.
It's a long time I will want to get rid of her, you know. And now she's trying to find some excuses to stay on my good side. I know. I tell her when you finish the clothes dry, take them up off the line. Don't wait until the rain come and wet them again, because they'll have to be done over. My Tom would never cheat. And not to mention my little sister, she's so happy for me.
Me would I want you climb my tree
Girl.
and pick my apple them. She not the boat.
Oh, you mean she not the boat? Where she there?
No, but she not the boat. We leave her in the house. You gonna water my garden later too?
Me? Girl, you're gonna get me in a trouble. Come on.
I trouble him in middle name. Come. Quick, right yourself. Boy, you really water my garden.
Mm-hmm. Boy, your fruit sweet.
The younger the grape, the sweeter the wine.
Yeah, man, that wine they did nice.
All right, me gone.
Yeah, all right, my girl. I'll go and do my thing.
It felt electric, like I was waking up from a long, dull dream.
Boy, your star fruit are sweet now.
You talk about star fruit sweet. And nice chrome black skin there. With them maca breast, you have fear food of a pick. You talk about you want to pick star fruit. You're a joke, come on.
Boy, Leroy, between you and me, you know, virgin. Me pick that fruit there, no.
Oh, man. Yes. No.
Shh. What your man? Quiet. No, man, nobody know nothing. But that's nice, my boy. Me not fly pan no more, one more wing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Them chrome skin is sweet. Anyway, you cry something for you.
Give me them on.
You not get nothing.
Alright, so me not have nothing, me not get nothing. Ew.
Man, you link, you know. I'm glad you follow my foolish advice. Man, you link, yeah.
Now, my brother, come on.
Yeah, man.
In the street. Oh, Leela.
Maria,
Yes, Mom.
you know, it's a long time you're not doing what I ask you to do. I tell you, whenever you put the clothes, you must take them up as they dry. You wait until rain come and wet them. Everything I tell you to do, I have to do it over myself.
Sorry, Mom.
I tell you, whenever you finish with the plates and the plates ready to put them in the cupboard, and I have to go and do it. And now, look at what you come do. You come tell lies on my husband and my sister. Too much. You're doing too much.
Me,
you know what?
Mom.
Listen, just leave.
Miss Mom,
just
me.
leave. Just leave.
No.
Because I know what you did. I know what you did to Janet, you know. I know what you did to Janet and her family. same thing you went on.
No, mom.
It's just too much now.
No,
I can't
mom,
manage
me love
anymore.
you, mom.
I can't love?
Yes,
you
mom.
call it love, and you, every time when I come, all you're doing is on your phone, watching TV.
Miss,
you don't know what to tell to do. I have to actually come and
please,
see you and
you
say to
can't
do it.
fire me,
I just
mom.
keep on doing it myself.
My mother
What's the
sick.
sense of you? I
My
can't
mother
manage
sick.
now. I can't manage.
Miss, please, mom. Miss, mom, please.
I just
please.
I just can't. I
Please.
can't manage anymore.
Please,
I can't
mom.
manage anymore.
Me not lie.
As I said to you,
Miss,
just give me a little break. Take a leave.
Miss,
Take a holiday leave,
Miss
right?
Mom, please, Miss Mom.
Just take a
please.
leave. Take
If
a
you
leave.
think I lie,
Take a
go
leave.
look around there, please, and I lie me I tell.
I'm telling you, my sister, I wouldn't do that. It's something you make if you can't
No,
cut it up.
no,
It's
Miss-
something you did with
No,
Janet,
Miss
remember?
Mom, please, if you
It's
think I lie,
hard.
go and go look, Miss. I mean, I
All
lie,
right, listen,
Miss.
even if you tell the truth, I'm saying just give me a break. Give me a break. You're temporarily fired. All right?
I thought we were being discreet. I guess love makes you blind. I couldn't resist. I could already see the storm brewing in Zola's eyes when she confronted me.
Zola, what are you crying for? What's wrong, sis? You alright?
Hey, what am I crying for? What's
You
wrong?
lick me so far.
You think I don't know what you've done?
What
You
me
think
do?
I invited you into my home?
I know.
I gave you everything.
I
You don't know what
I
you
don't
did.
know
You
what-
and Tom.
we
I'm
just
talking
come
about
see
you
her
and
cry.
Tom. You and Tom.
What about me and Tom?
Your entanglement with my husband.
What kind of foolishness you talk about?
I saw. with
You
my
see
own
what?
eyes.
See what?
You and him together in the little hut. I saw you. Pack your bags and go. And you know what? You know what is the worst thing about it?
No. Sis, hold on. Let me explain.
Shut up.
Let me explain.
I don't want to hear
No, let me explain. It
I
was an
said I-
accident. It was an accident. Me to go round there for use the outside toilet because somebody was in the bathroom. I'm a want pee. I'm a run in there and true me forget to lock the door and him come in because somebody was in the bathroom and him come in and as the floor wet him slip. And the slip and then the drop and through the bathroom small the slip him drop and me just catch him and I'm nothing.
I saw
Him-
you. Oh.
And I'm not him drop. No, you would see me because I toilet me and use so me didn't have the trousers
So
sit
you
down.
drop and you catch
Him
him.
drop, him slipping at the bathroom
I
and
saw
not
you.
do nothing.
I saw you back way.
Me
So
I put up
after
my
you slip,
trousers. You must see
flip.
when me I put
So
up my trousers.
You slip and then you flip. You know what to do? Flip your bag and flip the clothes in it
No,
and flip it about.
sis,
Listen, you know what is
you can't do that
Listen
to
to
me,
the
sis.
worst thing. You know what is the worst thing? My helper, Maria, told me. And I disbelieved her. Not my little sister.
No, I
not
know.
my husband.
No,
And
I
you
know
what
what
I
the
did?
problem.
I fired
She
her.
never did like
I
me.
fired her.
I bet you feel because she's
Listen,
just
man,
problem.
I
She
fired
never
her.
did like me.
And you know what I-
No, sis, man, no.
You have
No,
no longer
you
have
have
a
to
sister.
believe me, sis. No, you have to be Zola. You have to believe me.
My half good helper told me. My half good helper.
No, sis.
Because she dare not doing the things that I want her to do.
And
I
that's why
wanted
she
to fire her.
tried come
So when she
between us,
told
sis.
me, I
She
let it
tried
corrupt in
come
my
between
mind.
we.
And then I went and fired her. But she could. So now I have to go and make amends. I have to go and give her not even
sis.
1 month
No, I
salary, but I
wouldn't
have to
do
give her
that to
2
you.
months
I
salary.
wouldn't do
Because
that
she's
to
the
you,
realest.
sis. No,
You're not
come,
real.
sis, I wouldn't
Listen,
do that
don't
to you.
touch me.
I wouldn't-
I'll finish with you and
No,
I'll finish with Tom.
no,
I want to
sis.
hear nothing more.
No,
That's-
sis,
when
no,
I
no,
come
no,
back,
no,
when I
no,
come-
no. You can't do this to me,
listen.
sis. You're the
When
only
I-
family I
listen,
have.
I have
Sis,
no
believe
family.
me. Believe me. Nothing happened. Nothing. I wouldn't do that to
I
you.
saw.
I wouldn't do that to you.
Would you
A
like me to show you the
mistake.
picture?
A mistake. It
Would you
wasn't
like me to
me.
show you
It
the
wasn't
picture?
me, sis.
I tried to explain to justify my feelings, but nothing I said could mend the broken trust between us.
No, I can't believe. It wasn't even worth
You
it.
still here? You still here? With your crocodile tears?
Sis, you have to make me talk to you. You have to make me explain,
You are my
sis.
sister.
Zola's heart was broken and I was the reason.
And then, not only you emulate me, but you emulate me all the way to my husband. You want everything.
I was banished from our home, a pariah in my own family.
I love you, Donna. Say it.
And Tom, he was left in the crossfire, torn between his love for me and his loyalty to Zola.